I mentioned some for a fee solutions earlier that might make your job easier. The TECTIA-SSH solution provides a bit of a trick to build the bridge to ease the FTP to SFTP conversion. It involves an FTP to SFTP proxy. The FTP commands get routed to this proxy and are there converted from FTP commands to SFTP commands, allowing you to communicate with your partner's SSH SFTP server natively. The network portion is really SFTP, but your client jobs are really still using FTP. You just need to configure the FTP job steps to use the proxy. This can be done with a simple JCL modification. There are even other tools that can ease the JCL changes for you. Just a reminder though that FTP and SFTP are not 100% compatible, so not everything can be handled automatically. But basic FTP functions generally make the transition pretty easily. So if you have a big investment in FTP in place and a conversion to native SFTP will be a major undertaking, this might be the best solution for you.